The T-Series tube laser cutting machine boasts full-range functions and acts as an all-round powerhouse for tube processing. Model T1255 features a triple choke clamping design. It meets over 80% of tube processing demands in the market, making it the preferred choice for tube fabrication. All three chucks adopt an intelligent motion design to enable smooth forward and backward movement. The third chuck is designed with a through hole to deliver reliable support and stable clamping performance. During processing, the first and the second chucks drive the material forward for forward cutting, while the second and the third chucks keep holding the workpiece to complete reverse cutting. Seamless processing of long pipes is achieved, including loading, cutting, and unloading. The entire processing is smooth and seamless from start to finish. Various types of pipes can be easily processed. The T-Series laser cutting machine can process tubes up to 12 meters in length and weighing up to 1.2 tons, easily handling the processing of heavy-duty long tubes. The T1255 is equipped with follow-up support rollers in the loading area and follow-up support plates in the unloading area, ensuring stable processing even at high speeds. Consistent cutting precision ensures meticulous work with every cut. Integrating market demands and continuously innovating for development. The T-Series tube laser cutting machine offers limitless possibilities for tube processing.